Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Today we're talking about eating in season. Look at these roots. I'm taking them in. We're going to have some turnip roots. Look at this. English peas. These things are looking good. This is the first one we picked. And you can eat these in season. And you can eat them just like this. I want you to look at this. Look at those peas. Isn't that pretty? You can use these in salads. You can just sit here and eat them fresh. They're just like a little sweet taste in the pea. That's pretty awesome. But eating in season. We'll probably pick a few of these in the next couple of days. Have them fresh, either cooked. I may add a few to a salad. You can freeze them. You can can them. You can dehydrate them. English peas. Turnip roots. We made mashed turnip roots the other day instead of mashed potatoes. Great side dish. They're also good. You can eat them fresh. You can eat them in a salad. You can cook them with the greens. Whatever. Great side dish too. Thank you guys from Crazy Days.